Alright guys, hello again. So I'm going to make a follow-up for those that are new to add the Tstep and the running man together. I'll show you what it looks like, okay? To music here in just a second. So remember, when that knee comes up, that is the transition point from, say, the Tstep to go into the running man. Okay? Same thing if you're doing the running man. Okay? So I'm going to play a song here. It's going to be kind of short. I'll go as long as I can. I'm just going to be doing running man and Tstep. Okay? I'm not going to be doing any tricks or spins or anything like that because I want you guys who are new to understand the concept of putting the running man together with a Tstep, okay? Because it's not an easy thing to do in the beginning. I remember when I was struggling with it and going through the motions of trying to, connect the two, connect the dots. So, here we go. It. Always takes a lot of energy out of you. Takes the breath out of you. So as you can see, I went left and right. I went the long ways. You can see when I'm doing my running man, when that knee comes up, Tstep. Okay? I'm going to play another song. Let's see if I can find a little bit slower here, like even slower. Okay. Again. There you go. So, I know I was kind of out of frame there, but all you had to really pay attention to was the bottom half. So, yeah, that is how you connect the running man and the Tstep together, okay? And again, for those that are new, maybe you're just seeing this for the first time. Remember the Tstep, you're making an actual T with it, but it doesn't have to be exact, but it needs to be out and to the side, okay? And then when you bring that knee up, prep yourself, okay? Prep yourself up and do a running man. Go into the running man. When that knee comes up again, guess what? You're ready to go into a Tstep on the other side or wherever, okay? Pretty easy peasy. So I think I did the best I can do there, okay? Just remember, when that knee comes up, universal transition point, whatever you want to do. You want to go into a running man, you want to go into a T-step, maybe you want to go into a slide or a glide, which that's going to be a separate video. I'm trying to keep everything very compartmentalized and very separate. Okay. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this. This was definitely a short one, and I'll see you next time, okay? Peace.